If you are ready to tackle a DIY painting project, there's so much more that goes into it to get the great results than just buying paint and putting it up on the wall. So today I've come to Hillcrest Ace Hardware talking with Harry Schwartz all about the prep work that goes into getting a great DIY project.
That's exactly right. So often people will come in, buy paint, put it up on the wall, and then be unhappy with the results not because of a problem with the paint, but because they didn't do proper prep work.
And there's nothing worse than not being proud at the end of your DIY project.
Exactly. So there are a number of steps to go through to get your walls ready for the paint. And the first one is any repairs that need to be done.
Okay.
So let's say you've taken down some picture frames or anything that was hanging on the wall and it's left some holes. You'll want to go and do some repair work. You might also have some loose paint that needs to be scraped off. So for repair, spackling compound and a putty knife is all you need. Fill in those holes. A paint scraper maybe to scrape away loose paint that you don't want to have on the wall that's going to peel off once your new paint's on there.
And it's easy with the right tools.
It is easy with the right tools. After you've done the spackle, you just do a little bit of sanding to give it a smooth surface. And then the next step is really the most important step, and it's the one that's most often skipped, and that's cleaning your walls. Imagine how long you've lived in your home and nobody cleans their walls on a regular basis, right?
Guilty.
Right? So you've got a few years of buildup of dust and smoke residue and things like that, and you want to get that cleaned off, otherwise it's going to show through your paint. So TSP is a product that we recommend for doing that, and it's basically just a sponge or a rag and some TSP and wiping down your wall.
Another simple step, it just requires the right tools to do it. Get the walls nice and clean before you do any painting.
Once you've repaired and cleaned, your next step is to prep with tape. So you're going to tape off the areas that you're not going to want to paint, whether maybe you're not painting your baseboards or it's the ceiling line, around your receptacle switches, things like that. Use your painter's tape.
And of course the tape sticks better to a clean wall.
That's exactly right. And then lastly is getting your painter's tools. So you want to get a good tray set. It's got a tray, roller covers, paint brushes, and if you're using a good quality paint, you'll want to upgrade to a better quality roller and brush. And we recommend the Purdy brand, which is our top of the line product.
So then you are ready to paint. So when you are ready to tackle your DIY project, head to your local Ace Hardware for all the painting supplies you need, and you'll have a perfect DIY project. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in the network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.